wardrobe refresh. I got Stitch Fix, so if you want to see what they sent me and how it looks on, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe's in the other room with Dexter and Bandit's hanging out with my mom, but if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. We do all kinds of unboxings, unbaggings, get ready with me's, collaborations, all kind of fun stuff like that. So if you're into that kind of thing, please consider hitting that subscribe button. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. All right, so Stitch Fix. This is, I don't know my how manyth. My stylist has been Katie, and they do use an algorithm, but then once you've been matched with items, if you don't choose everything from that particular stream, that's when I believe the stylist takes over and picks a couple of extra things, or you can leave a note for what you're looking for specifically. And there was a lot of things I really liked. There's one pair of pants I really liked. They were super expensive. They were pull-on. They were like $108. And then after I declined them, I'm like, you know, with the 25% off, they would have been like $75. So probably should have put them in there, but I wasn't sure. So I'm going to let her know. I'm going to ask her if she can put those in a future fix. Now, I do have a code down below that I believe gets you $25 off of your first fix if you've never gotten one before. So if you want to check that out, go right ahead. It gets me $25 off as well. But I'm not an affiliate or anything else, so no other money in my pocket. It's just like a friend referral link. So if you want to give it a try, check it out down below. I have had a style pass for years. They do keep renewing it, so I do not have a regular fee. Not everybody was allowed to keep their style pass. A lot of people were kind of getting these quick fixes back to back to back, and they weren't keeping anything. And so I think that that's why they discontinued that program. But I think they grandfathered in people who were getting fixes, keeping things, or if they weren't keeping anything, were saying like, yeah, this was a real miss for me, and I would love another one, like another back-to-back one. So, you know, I usually keep at least 5 items from the box. It started off with just 5. Now you can get up to 8 items in your box. What I like is that they have a lot of jewelry and shoes and handbags, and they do have a little bit of better pricing overall than some of the other ones out there. All right, so let's get into this though. The other thing I like is that, at least for me, and it may be a program that I'm grandfathered into, is that if I keep 5 items or more, I get that 25% off. I think it's 25% off. Pretty sure it is. Because Wearable used to be 20% off. But now it's nothing. It's like on your next edit, you'll get X amount of dollars. Like keep 3 items, get $30. And to me, that's just not as value driven as getting that discount, which makes the items a little bit more affordable. So I still get the 25% off discount if I keep 5 or more, which I do like that. I prefer that setup. I did not choose everything, so I'm not 100% sure what's in here, but I did choose these. These are the shoes. Now, for me, shoes are almost always sneakers or boots. These are sneakers. I thought these were so cute. They're Dr. Scholl's. They're this beautiful pale yellow, and the Dr. Scholl's fit so nicely, so comfortably, that I don't even usually have to put on inserts with them. So love those. See some jewelry on the bottom. Oh, look at that. This I think I chose. So we've got some nice colors in there. There is a piece of jewelry. Let's see, this might be like a set, because usually in the bigger boxes you're getting, yes, it is a set. Now this is by Hawthorne. These are all necklaces in a silver tone. I am already obsessed. Already obsessed with this set. I love this. Oh, and this, super cool. Yeah, really like that set. Oh, I think that's staying with me. All right, so yes, my stylist is Katie again. And let's see. So I have 8 items. The total for everything is $460, but if I buy 5 or more, so if I bought everything in this box, 5 or more, I get the 25% off discount. If I buy everything in this box, it would be $345 for 8 items. So that's not too bad of a price point per item if you look at it that way. So that necklace set was not something I chose, but I did ask for jewelry. So they do listen when you ask for that. I also asked for something. So there's a cardigan in here and I asked for something to go under it because I want some layering levels. And so right on top, that looks like, because I don't recall this in there, that looks like what she put in there. And I love this. So it has that ruching on the side, but I just really love that style. So I'm so excited to try that on. That is from Threads for Thought. Next by 41 Hawthorne. I just thought this was so super spring forward with that bright yellow. From Letty and Me, we have this kind of crochet style hoodie sweater. So there's the hood on there. And it's a tan with some darker tan striping. Oh, wow, this is super, super soft. Okay, this is Market and Spruce. And this is the cardigan that I asked for something underneath. And I chose this because it was a shorter cardigan. And because I'm short, so I've been kind of like noticing that when I wear these long sweaters, that it just, with my height, just doesn't look right. So I really wanted a kind of shorter, more fitted cardigan. Then for pants, this is from Indigo 6. This is a 10 petite. So they do carry petite sizes there. And it's kind of a wide leg in this really light sage green. And then from Just USA, these are some light wash, wide leg pants, but not super wide. So I like that. I love the pockets. All right, I'm going to get to trying some stuff on and then we'll go over some prices. So I'll be right back with that first outfit. Okay, so here I am with that first outfit and I love this yellow sweater. And I like the mixture of the yellow and the black. I did put it on with the sage green pants because I thought that would be a nice mixture. And I do have the sneakers on. And they are pretty comfortable. I love the color. I love the match. And then I did put on that necklace that I like so much. And let's go over some prices. So the necklace set is the 41 Hawthorne Bianca necklace set in a silver tone, and that is $55. Yes, $55. The cardigan is the Market and Spruce Charlie wide rib cropped in yellow for $49. And then the Thread for Thought Brinley feather ribbed ruche in black, $45. It's a little pricey for this, but I've not seen these anywhere else, so I might end up with it. And sneakers. The Dr. Scholl's Madison lace-up sneaker in pale yellow, $75. The sneakers are the most expensive things in the box. I didn't know how much they were though, and I have priced out the Dr. Scholl's, and that's about what they cost. Even at DSW or Famous Footwear or wherever else I found a similar style in the Dr. Scholl's, like the timeout style, which I have like several pairs of. So what do you guys think? I I am liking the sweater and I'm liking the yellow. I'm not sure about the pants. I do like the fit. They're a little bit long though. So that's my bigger concern. These are a petite, but they are just a little bit long. So I'm not sure because I'll end up stepping on the back of them all the time. So I don't know. It's going to have to be like my desire to have something that's not a regular jean versus my concern about stepping on it all the time. I do have some sneakers with a little bit more lift, but these just went perfect with this whole outfit. All right, let's try something else. And I am back with that crochet style sweater with the hood. So the little hood back here. And I really like this too. I left the black top on underneath because with the crochet, I thought it was appropriate to have something underneath. And the jeans fit really nice. I do like, I got a big belly. I do like the little pockets here. I do like that. The length is a little better than the other one. So as you can see, these are not quite as long as the other ones. So these are a perfect length for petite jeans for me. So definitely a much better fit. And that was the other reason why I wasn't sure about the other jeans. So they were like a pull-on wide leg jean, but they were 10p times 32. And I'm like, is 32 the length or is that the waist? Because either way, that doesn't seem right. Like a 10 should be a 30. And if it's petite, the longest it should be is 28. So I have questions. All right, but you have questions about how much this costs. So the Just USA pocket detail bootcut jean in indigo, $69. And the Letty and Me Maya crochet hooded sweater in tan, $59. And again, when you're looking at it with 25% off of that, that brings it to a more reasonable price space that I'm much more comfortable with. All right, so what do you guys think of this? All right, time for the next outfit. And here's that last sweater, and I just kept on the same jeans again, kept on the sneakers because I feel like the sneakers were a real good match for all of the outfits in there. Love the pale yellow on them. Loving this yellow in this stripe. I think that's amazing. Love the roll detail here, here, and on the sleeves. Love, love that. So, yeah, I think I really like this. So I think this is like an 8 for 8, which is unusual. Usually I keep 6 or 7. Chloe would like that. And this is the 41 Hawthorne cotton roll neck long sleeve in yellow, $59. Okay, take a good look at that. Tell me your thoughts, guys. Is this an 8 out of 8? What would you send back? What do you think? Sometimes I think like, oh, I love this. And then I look at it on film and I'm like, that looks awful on me. So like right now I'm saying it's 7 or 8 only because I'm concerned about the length of those sage jeans. Love the color, 100% love the color. I am going to have to try them on with, I have some sneakers that have a little bit more of a lift, but they're in pink. But again, I can figure that out. I do have boots I could wear it with, and I do have other shoes I can wear it with. These just don't have much of a lift on them. But let me know your thoughts. Was this an 8 out of 8? What was your favorite item? What would you keep? What would you send back? Is this not even your style at all? Would you be like, I wouldn't keep any of it. That's just not my style, Tracy. That's okay. Everybody's style is a little bit different. All right. Well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.